In a bid to promote sustainable farming practices and reduce the harmful use of industrial chemicals, the Center for Indigenous Knowledge and Organizational Development, CICOD, has trained peasant farmers in the Upper East region on how to produce organic weed killer using human urine. Albert Sori has more.
The innovative approach utilizes readily available and natural resources such as human urine, salt, vinegar, and baking soda. These are measured in specific quantities and mixed into an acidic solution that kills weeds within hours after spraying. James Opuakwajo runs a youth development center which focuses on training young people in Techiman in the Bono East region to be innovative and see livelihood opportunities in agroecology. His center came up with the idea of making an organic weed killer using human urine.
Urine is nothing that is harmful to us, but at least we need to handle that with caution. For instance, get nose masks, protect your hands with gloves and all those things, and you're good to go. With our system, we do not kill the microorganisms in the soil. Overall, we're not looking at just the physical or the monetary cost. We are looking at the benefit we get from the environment and then from the human health. So for instance, if I have to use 100 cedi to prepare my weedicide or weed killer, and that will save me costs going to the hospital, we feel it's better than spending 20 cedi to buy the synthetic weedicide, kill the weeds, and at the end spending billions in the hospital treating yourself.
The Center for Indigenous Knowledge and Organizational Development, CICOD, took an interest in Opuakwajo's innovation and partnered with him to train peasant farmers on how to make the solution and use it to kill weeds on their farms. The training was conducted with a specific emphasis on women farmers to equip them with the knowledge and skills. Wilberforce Lati is the Deputy Executive Director of CICOD.
We are in some discussions with the University of Energy and Natural Resources in Sunyani to see how we can, systematize this whole thing, try to bring the research component, look at the efficacy, look at issues around formulation and all that stuff. But basically, for the places that we have tried, it has had tremendous impact and effect.
The major concern here is it is not exactly a pleasant activity for humans to be mixing substances with their own urine. Nonetheless, these farmers are willing to do it for the benefits and have hailed the method as a game changer in the promotion of natural farming methods.
I don't see it to be uncomfortable because the urine in the process, the smell will go out. Then you'll be comfortable using it. Spraying it, you don't use it on the plant. If the weeds are around the plant, you plant them on rows. So you spray along, and those that are near or around the plant, you remove them. Use your hand and remove them.
Locally, we have been using our urine for other purposes, which is not so harmful. So it will help us in a long way in reducing the cost of buying weedicide and also the cost of buying insecticide in the markets, which is very, very expensive.
We've been training farmers on how to manage their soils well by preparing compost and applying manure, doing mixed cropping and all the other practices. But this training we've come to participate in is a game changer for me, especially the weed control in land preparation and in weeding or crop management as well.
The use of human urine to produce a weed killer is also a cost-effective and environmentally friendly alternative to industrial chemicals which can pollute soil, water, and harm human health. As the Center for Indigenous Knowledge and Organizational Development expands this project with more research, it is expected to have a significant impact on the environment, public health, and the livelihoods of small-scale farmers in the Upper East region. For Joy News, Albert Sorry, Bolgatanga.